So, want to get a before video before I get too far in the renovation process of this house. So, I already put a side door on. Obviously, have to trim it out. This hallway, this landing's on an angle, so I plan to rebuild the steps all the way down here to the basement and also rip out this plaster because there's no hall light. And I want some form of light in this hall. The kitchen, we already mostly gutted. It was just 50s. And then today I'm starting to gut all this plaster because I'm going to do all new electrical and plumbing. And then the good news is the bathroom is right above me. So any of the plumbing that's not updated upstairs, because the bathroom was updated, but I don't think they updated the drains and stuff like that. I think it's copper water lines. I'm going to find out once I open it up. I see copper downstairs, but I see a little bit of galvanized off the main. So I want everything to be pretty updated. But the kitchen's the biggest thing. I'm going to gut everything in here. So they did a newer LVP in here. This should clean up okay. It's going to be a rental, and there's a few outdated windows. So I got windows on order. They should be here in a few days. There's no light in the living room. Drives me nuts because actually the ceiling was updated to drywall at some point. So I can't give you any light here. And then we're ripping up carpet right now because we're hoping that we can just sand the hardwood floors. So this is all updated, newer tub, but I don't know the condition of like the drains and stuff. So I'm going to use the access to the ceiling beneath to update that. And this vanity is going to go, but nothing crazy in the bath. It's a 3-bed. Pretty basic. Old doors, built in 26. So, Delingo. Pretty basic setup. Some updated windows, some old throughout the house, but I got all the ones on order. And then there's a big attic. I'll show you the front door we're keeping. It's in good enough shape. And then the basement. Basement, we were getting water in. Kind of on the side, I rerouted downspouts, and I opened up this drywall. I bought it off people that sealed the walls. I figured they were trying to hide something. I didn't see a ton of moisture, but I saw the slightest bit on the floor. So I opened this up, rerouted the downspout outside. And it's actually pouring rain right now, so it should be in good shape, but I don't like, oh, they didn't install the lights in here yet. So yeah, I don't know, it's finished, but I don't know how I feel about it. In here in the main utility room, they updated the furnace, AC, and water heater. Literally all in the last 2 years. The garage is 2 years old. Updated electrical panel. And there is a toilet here. So my plan is to probably do a little half bath right here. That's my goal. I want to put a sink in here so we got a basement half bath and then move this laundry over. And go from there. So I'm going to update all this plumbing. This is the old kitchen drain. That'll be easy to do. That'll be an easy update. I should get some flash on for this video. So, yeah, here's the kitchen drain. I'm going to update that. Here's the main stack that goes all the way up. So, it seems like this is copper. You know, I don't think we got galvanized, but we do have, you know, it's painted, but it is copper. What's I gonna say? Over here at the water main, I was just worried about galvanized pipe going up that way. So it seems to be okay, but this shut off's in, you know, rough shape, but you know, it's a 26 built house. It's kind of the main reason I don't like the basement being finished. It's because I don't see the condition of anything up in here. So I don't know if I'm gonna gut it and redo it, but the biggest thing of this video is I want to get a good like walkthrough. So you can see the condition, everything. So the before and after, what we decide to do. So, alrighty. That's just about it. Yeah. All this could be completely changed next time you see the video. I'm just hoping that we can get the water out and keep it out. It's mostly downspouts. Most of the time you get water in a house, that's what it is. But yeah, all this is unlevel and stuff. So I'm going to be gutting a lot of it and redoing it. I just want it perfect. Because it's going to be a rental property, but I try to get top rent on my stuff. So that's in the game plan. Alrighty.